Howdy y'all, today we're going to be playing a little challenge I set for myself actually. We're going to be playing Ultra Kill, but I can only use the unlocks. Yeah, I get it. Okay, there we go. No. But I can only use the unlocks that you can find throughout the missions. There we go. As in like the slab, the cross, the saw blade, and the nail, and this thing. I can only use these things. What the hell? I thought I didn't have you equipped. Hold on. I'll fix that later, but... It had... It... And yeah, I am using the fun... I am using the saw blade version of this. Oh. Don't you try to run away from me like that. Oh yeah, you can also do this. That's right, you can hold down... You can hold it down. No. Hey, check this out. Yeah, that's right. This thing can eat Milish's face up like a Dorito bag, man. That is insane how much damage that thing can do. B S A A. Secrets. Get 5 kills with a single glass panel. Yeah. But yeah, if you didn't notice, you can do this. Also that. Go away. Anyway, did you see a death? I didn't see a death personally. Oh, you thought you could have power over me, huh? What, because you're a person and I'm not? Is that it? Do you think you're better than me because you used to be people? Well, I'll show you. I'll show you good. Huh? Do you like that? Do you like that? Huh? Do you like how emotion I am? Do you like all these emotions that I'm gonna shuck it? Oh my god. Just die. Thank you. Piss off. Give me that. I don't know what this is for, but I'm gonna grab it and I'm gonna use it. Bye. Thank you, that. No, this hand is really useful. Thank you. Dang it, hold on. Let me try that again. Checkpoint. Die. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, should I, though? But should I? Well, I did. So it doesn't really matter anymore. But why, though? I mean, I'm safe in here, though, right? It can't kill me in here. I don't like this. I feel like I'm... You know what? No, I'm actually gonna not. I'm gonna quit this mission. And since I technically completed this, right? I can technically complete the meat grinder. I'll go to double down. That was just too anxiety racking. No. Maybe if I were to be a streamer, I would do it, just so you guys could have entertainment in my misery, but right now, nah. You thought. I kind of feel like they should be something. Oh, wow. How scary. Oh, wow. Even more scary. So scary. Oh, wow. I wonder what's gonna happen in here. Sure do wonder. Oh, hey, that counts. Huh. So I don't even really need to fight you. I'm taking a chainsaw. I took a chainsaw to him and it almost worked. Pathetic. I took your gun. I took the shotgun purely for decoration. I tell you what, purely for decoration. I'm gonna put it away the moment I leave. That's right. I stole this man's arm for decoration. Nuh-uh. Oh yeah, that's cool and all. But can your shotgun do this? I think not. Thank you. Anyway. Well, I was not expecting. What? Oh, I fell down there. How? Somehow. I cut him down. Like I was. Can you fucking not? Oh, you gotta be shucking me, man. You gotta be yoking me. Oh, whatever. Hold on. Asshole thought he could get me on a second run. Nuh-uh, dumbass. You thought you could get me like that, huh? You really thought, you get enraged quite a lot. Na 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 na. I'm still alive. Ha 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 ha. S A B. Can kill only one. I'm guessing that would be the sword boy. But doesn't the sword boy count as 2 enemies? And you fight him twice. Woo! That's that. But you were wrong. See, you were very wrong. Woo! Ah, I have this. I have this shotgun equipped. Ha! I mowed him down. That was brutal. Where'd everyone else go? Did they die in these things? They died on the grinders. Of course they did. Ah, dang it. I accidentally used a shotgun. Anything I could do up here? Feels like there's secrets about. I feel it. I can feel it in my nostrils. I was wrong. There's nothing. Oh, wow. I wonder what would happen here. Again with the... I just saw the shotgun in my hands. Get off of me. Get off of my ass, please. Thank you. Uh... 2 for the price of 1. Wow. That's just technically half off. Woo! A. S. C. A. Slide uninterrupted for 17 seconds. Before I do that, though, I have 2 things to say goodbye to. For 1, go away. And for 2, shotgun. Go away. No, 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 no. Go away. I know that's really loud, but trust me, you'll be really annoyed with me later. Hold on. I have a very fast way of getting through here. Hold on. Doesn't it kind of sound like there's something... They're making something in the background? Like there's like something being prepared, like a soup or something in the background. Like they're preparing Tupperware for something. Bye-bye. Ah, shit. They're still mad at me. Ah, crap. Good. Thank you, nail gun. Whew. Woo. Oh, wow. How lovely. Say, how about I give you a coin? Ah, wait, I don't have a coin. How about I electrocute? Oh, wait, no, I don't have the Tesla cannon either. Oh, wow. How peaceful. Sure hope nothing comes to disturb them. They really don't like you touching these things. Oh wow, it's a soul orb. Wow. It feels like I get the malicious effect on me whenever that happens. Fine. Give me that. Yummy, yummy for my tummy. No. No. One, two, three, and he's done. Stop it. No, No. Woo! Give me that. Oh. Woo! Ah, come on. Come on, fellas. We could talk about this, right? You're normal-ish folk. going to go over here, I believe. Wrong way. This is really good. This one's really good for single target priority. Hold on. Five. I am the scout around here. Buttons already have been pushed. I don't need to do that. B. I'll take it. S. S. A. Oh, come on. Hold on. Hold on. Oh! I didn't know they could follow me in here. Ah! Ah, go away! Go away! Go away! Go away! Go away! Ah, you're ruining everything. You're ruining my beautiful interior. You're ruining. Ah, damn it! You made me do that. You made me. You forced me to do that. You forced me into this. Go away. Go away. Now. Nail gun. Go away. That. Woo! Yummy. Ah, shit, I wasn't expecting it. That. Clever son of a bitch. Oh, wait a minute, I recognize this. This place is like the boat area from the boat mission, in the ferry. Oh. Yeah, I don't think I did that. Um. Why is... Why is everything sad now? Fuck is that? Oh, hi. Uh, say... Say... Where the fuck did you come from? There. That's where you came from. And where you went. Ooh. Anyway. There's really no downside. Like, I just chanked 2 Inferno Boys. I can't remember what they're named. Isn't it like Street Cleaner? Yeah, it's Street Cleaner. I'm not stupid. Or maybe I am. You don't know that. Maybe I am the biggest stupid. I'm the biggest moron in the world. Maybe I'm the biggest moron in the world. You'll never know. You'll never know. Yeah, it's getting kind of stale, man. You know what I mean? Kind of stale. Kind of stale. So we're just gonna do everything. We're just gonna use a little bit of everything, you know? A little bit of everything. Little bit of everything, you know? There's a little death over there, little murder over there. It's just and then boom, you win. This is actually my final one. Should I do red or blue? Nah. I'll do blue. Red. I say I'll do blue, but then I do red. There we go. Hold on, I'm not ready, Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Again? Stop it. Gotta let this thing recharge, cause of that, the comedy of just mowing down a malicious in like 3 seconds. What am I? Without my beautiful wombo combos, what am I? You think I'm stupid, don't you? You think I'm stupid, don't you? What am I aiming for? No one knows. That time you knew I was aiming for. That time you didn't. Woo! I'm unpredictable. Woo! 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 Make it rain, brother. Make it rain. Woo! Bam, 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 woo! Oh, wait a minute. Actually helps me. Quite a lot. So now I just walk up here. Get out. Get out. Get out of here. Maybe this is the time where you're gonna shine, bud. Maybe this is the time where you're gonna shine, actually. What the fuck was that? Maybe this is actually the time where he's gonna shine. Okay, bye then. See, whatever. No restarts. I got a solid B tier for that. Beat the secret encounter. Oh yeah, I already did that. That's how I got the slap. Oh yeah, you. Eh. Come out. You see how, like, brutal that is? How overly brutal that is. Isn't it how I'm using your own weapon against you? You never draw the pieces together that maybe I already killed you in another world. No? Okay. Woo! In 55 seconds. I pure peed that? I pure peed at. Who knows, maybe today will be the day that I actually successfully... No? Okay. Well, I already done this one's challenge, actually. But this is just for funsies, in all honesty. In fact, let's restart the mission, because I want to get all the kills. It's fun, and I don't want you all to miss out on any fun murder time. You know, is this... If I did, I'd be editing this, and God knows I don't want to edit this. Peh. Woo! I love whenever it freeze frame. Why were you just standing there waiting for the murder? I wasn't expecting... Oh. This to take as long as it did. Pretty sure my bedtime's been long here. Just slowly and painfully, as everyone wanted it to be. It doesn't do much damage whenever it's just... I never knew how old the Beatles were until, like, a couple days ago. Oh, what the hell? I jumped. We all saw that. I jumped. I did that. Now. Die! I feast on your blood. Blah, blah, blah. Yada, yada, yada. You get the point. Woo! Whoa, look at me go. Woo! Oh, come on. Hey, bud, I need to borrow that right quick. Nice. You ever wonder why that guy doesn't wake up? I feel like he should, you know? Avenge his fallen brethren and shit like that. Feels right, you know? It's just... You're a pushover, you know that. You're such a pushover. Woo! Committing murder! Woohoo! Oh, whatever. Woo! There we go. Now, where were we? Stop that. You might want to get that checked out, bud. Oh, shite. Come here. Bye. Anyone else down there? No? Boing. Boing. Mowed him down. Woo! I love every second. Ah, that was the only time I die. The only time I die, it's to one of them. Ah. He gained revenge for all of his brethren, which I just mowed down with this thing. Good thing I can use this too. And this. Actually, it's just... Woo! You gotta be kidding me. Now. No one hopping on this? No? Good. Woo! Woo! Alright, he got shredded. Good. I have this at the ready. Oh yeah, we gotta... Now I gotta have this at the ready. He almost made me hop to my death. He almost made me cause my own. Oh yeah, this was the one I was super proud of because I didn't find it without I found it without a guide. I was like super proud of that. CDC. Say I see. Okay, that's bye. 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 Bang. Bang. Bang-a-dying-dying. If any of you ever used this loadout, it's the mecha loadout. I've called dibs on it. I called dibs on it. It's the mecha loadout now. It's the mecha strat. Woo! V3 time, baby. Let's go! Woo! Groovy. Creme de la creme. Oh yeah, I broke that one. I broke that one. One I didn't break. It's not in there, but I like breaking that one for more support reasons. It's in here. Coward. Okay. Oh, you sick son of a bitch. Woo! Woo! I got plenty more, but that came from bitches. Woo! Motherfucker! Hey. Oh yeah. Woo! Woo! How are you agile enough to dodge a fucking minigun, but not fast enough to dodge that? That's stupid. You're stupid. How did I never think about finding this? That's the most obvious place to hide a secret. Ah. serves the same purpose, essentially. Oh my god. Die, die, die. Chainsaw, baby. Woo! I accidentally used that. That's right, baby. I still have this. And I don't care how stale it is, I'm gonna use it to my advantage. Now I gotta wait for that to no longer be stale. Okay. Did I ever break this? Oh, book. I blew up the book. Oh. Huh. Huh. Apparently I already got that one. I think it's fine. It's fine. It's not fine. It's very much so not fine. Well, that was easy. I went the wrong way, damn it. How do you go the wrong way when the exit's right there? Motherfuckers. Woo! Yeah, that's never happening. I'm not a speedrunner. Oh, hi there. I just like the challenge of doing some of these. That's all. I did forget where the third part is, but it has to be above water somewhere, so. I narrowed it down quite a lot, actually. No, you made me fail the challenge. You little twag. Fuck you. Okay. Oh yeah. Have fun. Wrong door. Wrong door. There are male succubus. It just never really got brought up. And like there are there are dude succubi. They're called incubi. Oh, they're called incubus and like and shit like that. Get it? Cause they're they're incubators, fertilizers. Why is it? Why is it? Why is it blue? Well, there's my shotgun right there. Simple. Got healed up right there, and bada bing, bada boom, and we're bada boom, and we're ready to rumble. I love that little space in between the oh. It's amazing. You know what? I'm gonna leave it here. I should have been asleep an hour ago. I'll catch you on the next episode. Okay? Bye.